So millions of people use products daily that you've created, not knowing the amount of innovation that went through it, the amount of work that had been gone through in terms of prototyping, in terms of testing several different versions of it. Take us inside the process for one of those things which is dearly to your heart.
One of the ones that really made a big splash is we were the first in the world to do a mass market electric toothbrush.
Gotcha.
At the time, this goes back a couple decades, but we looked at the electric toothbrush market. The toothbrushes available were about $100 retail. Sonicare, 1% penetration. So of 100 people brushing their teeth, 99% were doing manual and 1% was doing electric. So remember we're in their vehicle, we're not in a silo.
Yeah.
So in our first part of the vehicle is we didn't look at the electric market. If you look at the electric market, what percent are you going to get? If it's 1%, you're going to get 10% of that, so it's 1/10 of 1%. But if you look at the manual market, and you get 10% of that, that's a lot. The manual market, the price point, retail price point was $1 to $5. So we said if we could do a $5 electric toothbrush, and all the rest were 100, we have an opportunity. And apparently nobody commercialized anything like that. So we created what we call the Dr. John Spin Brush. I'm John Osher, our third partner is John, and our fourth partner, Larry, and we launched it. We're in Cleveland here, so we launched in a local grocery chain called Heinen's. 15 outlets. We could make enough of these $5 electric toothbrushes. And by the way, getting to $5 retail means the store wants to pay half, that's $2.50. We wanted a factory cost of half, $125. So we had to do all this functionality with 2 AA batteries, a motor, a switch, 2 moving bristles, in a package, in a master pack, landed for $1.25.
Everything under $1.25.
And we did it. We figured it out. Everybody said it was impossible, but we did it. We launched it at Heinen's. It just blew off the shelves.
Wow.
We found out later that when people saw a $5 electric toothbrush, they took a $20 bill out and bought 4.
Wow.
Everybody bought 4. The majority of people bought 4.
And when was this?
It was about 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
We went to CVS, sold out. Went to Walmart, sold out. We ended up selling it to Procter & Gamble, became the Crest Spin Brush. Today, 40% of us brush electrically, both in the $5 spin brush range to the $100 Sonicare range. We nicked the universe on that one.
It's inspiring.